morning, and this is Avraham Saltoun from Josam with a Enemy Studio Pro tutorial, and today we'll be learning about switch layers. Switch layers is a layer that can alternate in between different sublayers that are inside. And for this today we'll be creating a traffic light. In general, traffic lights have three colors. It has red, it has yellow, and it has green. But only one is lit at a time. And that's the tutorial for today. Let's create first our red light using the oval tool. Let's pick the color red. That's the color picker. Again, if you have the style window, it's always possible to find it on the menu bar as for window and style. And there we have, let's center a bit, and there is our red light. Now currently the red light is sitting on a vector layer. We're going to have three circles on a single vector layer. Please remember, if you want to subscribe, do from the website, because there you can get complete tutorials and you access all tutorials. Not all tutorials sit on YouTube. If you like my tutorials, subscribe, and subscribe from my website. Alright, I guess that let's render to see the result. We have a car, we have a road, and we have a traffic light with a red light. Okay, next step, let's create the